Smoke cigarettes, cancer in the chest, like cardiac arrest. I've been feeling stressed, trying to find ways to impress her, showing her that I love her, trying to show her effort. Gotta keep it together. I don't wanna be lonely no more. I don't wanna be lonely no more. She picks my heart off of the floor.
What's up, gangsters? There's a storm up.
This guy
Here, boy.
can't even.
It's a blizzy out.
Wait.
So I'll lock it from the inside. Dude, this thing's kind of bad.
Oh, I can't go into the passenger
Be
side?
careful with that. Shit don't blow off your hand, dude. Look at this shit.
It's not even that bad, guys. He's a Nevadan, though.
Should've worn some socks.
You're not wearing socks? Amateur. Here's me in my little hat. Peep it. Okay.
Holy shit.
That's your feedback?
Huh?
We should drive kind of like towards DL to see how it is. Like, you know that one road?
Yeah.
This is a nice car.
The
Charger.
what is it? What?
I have no idea. What the fuck? I don't know whose it is.
It's the homies.
Who?
It's Izzy's.
No way. No.
My face.
Oh, that's funny.
Should record the storm. Why are you recording my ugly ass? It's like towards like leaving town.
Yeah, that's bad. Here we are. To the only place we can afford.
The dollar store. The handicap. I don't care.
You probably tell it bad.
It's alright. It says something about the space, blah blah, but
It does say that.
it says they got PS4 games here at the dollar. Not really good stuff. Whatever. Can't see nothing. Look at that. I'll put the window down.
I don't know if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive this shit. I don't know why it's like that.
Until we take a turn, do you have your lights on?
Damn, look, can't see
Imagine
the
if
cars
that car.
coming.
Damn, dude, you should go this way.
Why?
Holy.
So you can't see the church until you're like really close to it.
You should drive slow, always. I told him he should wrap the package better. Because this does not look good. But whatever floats his boat. There he is.
That's a Somali dude.
Cool.
The old man from Bisasagi. Tito! Okay.
I don't know how my dad's gonna get it.
Yeah, but right here is just in town.
Yeah,
Just
but
follow the car in front of him.
you don't see shit.
We're straight. Woo, big old
There's a
smiley.
person walking.
Yeah, I know, I see him.
Yeah, that's bad. We shouldn't go over here.
Why?
Because there's hella semis coming in and out.
I should change the windshield blade. Damn. It's life here in Minnesota. Damn, look at that. There's a car coming, I see him. Strategic driving sometimes.
Yeah, right.
No socks. Shit leaking, dog. gosh, it's leaking. Got it all over myself. Oh. Round 2 of trash. There's that car earlier that she said that was a dope car. It's her ex, but I'm cool with him. I don't get jealous. I'm not a jealous person. Go ahead and dump this motherfucker.
Yep.
I got myself a glizzy. And the blizzy.
That's not a glizzy.
It's a glizzy and there's a glizzy out there. Yeah, well, I'll drive. Finally, a nice day out here in Minnesota compared to the other day. No more blizzard. Big old bird nest over there.
On our way to get some Dairy Queen. I don't know how to zoom in. No. How do you zoom in? My boy thought someone was coming to attack.
I don't know, he was walking behind your car.
With milk. The milk murder.
Did you bring the dog? Hey. Sledding time. Come on, Mela. Get on. Get on.
Oh, you're going with Bella?
Come on, let's go, Bella. Are you gonna go down?
No. You going down, Jeff? You going down? I dare you to do that, like go running and slide on your belly.
Joe can't go forward. It's the Venus part, not mine. Because I'll probably bust my nose or something. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay. Go again, though.
Who's next? I already went.
It's
You
okay.
go next. Go, Crystal. Go with Bella.
Try to go super. You should build up speed.
Oh, I'm gonna smack my face on the floor, boy. I'm going to break my nose. Oh, I thought they had one. All they do.
I think I want people thinking I got roaches in my house.
Yeah, well, it's okay. Or how about the poop one?
What about this one? What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, that one's better. Alright, well, we gotta get some waters. I just don't feel like tying my shoe. I'm about to get Jeff. Look at that. Damn! Gonna go, Jeffrey? Yeah.
Así como están.
Yeah.
No sé qué opinas tú, Enrique y Félix. Si Chuy pudo haber hecho algo más, lo cierto es que creo que terminan por sorprender. Es una anotación fantástica. Y bueno, Santos Laguna con un técnico interino hoy.
Why are you doing your face like that? It's just a beard.
Hace 15 días, Necaxa con técnico interino le pegó aquí en Cruz Azul.
It's sour as hell. No, just put a little bit of salt.
Porcentaje de jugadores mexicanos y con un promedio de 9 extranjeros.
Oh, dude, I knew that we had. Dude, you guys fucking got roaches here, dude.
What?
That's just nasty. That's a big ass. Watch out, you touched it with your beard. Oh shit! The fuck is that? Dude. Try not to get that shit on the sofa. Shit fucking looks nasty, dude. Penalty for Cruz Azul. So I'm saying he's gonna miss it, Jeffrey. Is he gonna make it or is he gonna miss it?
Nah, that dude. That's when Chivas got rid of him, dude.
Oh no! Goal! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Dude! What a save! He stopped it 3 times.
Acevedo!
And they still have Ochoa for the World Cup, dude, instead of this guy?
Damn.
Jesus Christ. Damn. Alright, if Cruz Azul loses, I'm gonna have to chug a black Modelo. And if Santos wins, if Cruz Azul wins, then Jeffrey has to chug a black Modelo. We'll see. It's still 0-1, minute 50, almost 54. Lo platicamos todos. Finally he makes a goal, he deserves it. Oh, that was good. That was no foul or nothing.
Over there. Bro, ábrete, way. Don't you see the guarding you? Look, this dumbass Santos player, bro.
That's a goal, Jeffrey. What happened, dude? Cruz Azul always loses the last minute.
Gracias, Dios.
Huh?
Gracias, Dios.
Damn. Oh, it's like an autogol.
Yeah.
Oh, he hit it with the back of his foot. Oh my lord. You happy, Jeffrey?
Yeah, I'm not chugging the black Modelo. Can't spit it out either. If you spit it out, you're gonna have to drink another one.
Don't mind the mess. There's a mess because I was out of state for a few weeks. I was over there in Washington,
Dubai,
DC, and we're not Dubai because we got a lot of money. With the cast on, we can still count the bread. Look at that. Huh? What's the next visit?
Russia.
Nah, fuck that.
It's your pretend to pop it open.
No, because he had popped it open, but I put the lids back on.
Where are you opening to?
Because he's gonna chug one. Ah, this is whack.
Alright, ready, set. Oh. Oh. Chug it. You didn't finish it. It's halfway.
Yeah,
through.
but like Modelo has that fucking gold flaky shit.
You gotta get the sperm too.
What the hell?
I'm done.
That's a big Corona. I can't chug no more.
Alright, that's it. Disappointment. We took an L today. Fucking garbage ass team. Get this shit off.